Oh, right, Frankie. Here, the first part of your payment.
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, shiny! Oh my God, look at that! Oh my God, that looks amazing! I've never ever seen this car all the same colour. It's always been various shades of blue.
Car, everything. Come look this side, look at that. Okay? Inside the car.
God,
Very
that's
polished this, yeah, so
fabulous.
this
Frank,
will be
you've done an
polished.
amazing job.
Look at this, man. Look.
Can't believe this is my
Look,
car.
is it your
Wow! I've got a shiny petrol tank.
Yeah, shiny petrol tank.
Yeah.
I've got a lot to finish yet. I've got to polish it all up, fit it all up. The bonnet's there.
Are you happy with the way it's come
Mike,
out?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it. So is everybody else who's coming here. Look the inside of the bonnet as well. See it?
Oh, it smells lovely in here.
Yeah. Look, I painted those black. So
Oh, yeah, it does look better.
I stone chipped all this to save it. And then seam sealed all this. This is all seam sealer.
It doesn't look, and it's a battery tray.
Yeah.
There's a hole there, Frank.
There's a hole there for the water. 2 holes.
Supposed to be there. I went to see Marco. He was asking me if I want the engine block, you know, the tin work round the outside, if he thinks I should have it, if I should have it painted.
Yes, when it's outside you have to have it painted. If I could take the engine out and then I could paint the inside, but I've got to take the whole engine out. Clean the engine, look. See? This is the first time even I'm seeing it now after I painted it, look. Right? Look at all this.
You think I should do that?
I think it looks lovely.
So how about you? How have you been
I'm good,
keeping?
Mike, yeah.
Looking well?
Yeah, yeah.
I like your pinny. Very
Yeah.
sexy.
My granddaughter brought them for me.
I can't believe Sammy's looking so amazing.
Yeah. Where have I put the other door? Oh, the other door is here already. So look, all painted inside, the whole lot. No messing about.
Oh,
all
that
in there.
looks fabulous,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
yes. That's how it's done.
That's why I took
you-
it to the master.
It's not a question of saying, oh, let's paint it and just be done with it.
The roof is all solid,
Oh,
straight.
solid, everything.
Does this still need rubbing down?
Yeah, this rubbing down and polishing. Does it look nice or what? And with the seats and the carpet and all, you ain't recognizing this car. All the seals and everything done, I've done them in stone chip. Can you see the stone chip?
Yeah.
So they're nice, all right?
Yeah.
All underneath, all done, all stone chip. No, this will be stone chip last. After I finish all this, I'll mask all this off and then stone chip this.
Inside.
All this, yeah, will be black. This is going to be the same as the front, all right?
Didn't have any other massive problems.
No.
Oh, I thought it was looking sweet before.
Yes,
it's just
yeah.
looking amazing now.
Yeah. Right. So now you see. You know what that is?
Something about Malacca.
Malacca was Miriam McKay was saying it. You heard Miriam McKay?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Famous song.
All that's left really now
The
is
wheels.
wheels.
We're coming to do the wheels. Doing them in ivory, like that.
Yeah.
Same color as that one.
I mean, this car was full of holes, about 8 shades of blue. It's put in like the new panels like that. There's the bonnet. All these sills have been completely rebuilt. Done the whole of this rear wheel arch. I mean, that was just... It looks fabulous, Frank. I think it's... I think you've done a stellar job here, mate.